All righty then. I'm so sorry. I was thinking about those trick-or-treaters. I can't seem to shake it. All right. Well,
yes.
Yeah. Well, let's talk about the weather because we've got some serious things to talk about with the hurricane, and then our forecast and how it might be affected as well.
We've got a lot going on here. I think I probably have like 19 graphics in my weather show to get through. So let's get through it, guys. A lot going on, and it's going to end with some good news. But right now, we're not talking much good news. We're talking about heat and humidity for us, Michael making landfall down south, and a strong cold front headed our way. So let's get right into it. We'll start off with a look outside. Philadelphia looking a little cloudy tonight, but here's some good news. At least we can see the tops of the buildings. It is not as foggy as last night. There will be some patchy fog overnight and tomorrow morning. We'll start tomorrow with low clouds again, but not quite the widespread dense fog we saw today. Temperatures across the area right now are in the low 70s, still very warm. We're not going to drop much below the upper 60s overnight, and that's because dew points are still up around 70. It's very steamy. The temperature cannot drop below the dew point, so that's when we're going to see the fog and the low clouds form as the air gets fully saturated once again. So it's warm and steamy here in Philadelphia. It's warm and steamy across much of the eastern half of the country, this big bubble of warmth as we await the arrival of that cold front I mentioned. But look at the difference behind the cold front. It's a completely different western half of the country. It's only 46 in Minneapolis, but it's 72 in Milwaukee. There's not much distance between those two cities. Bismarck 38 right now. Rapid City, it's 33. It feels like winter. It's been snowing across portions of Colorado and into Nebraska all day long. Here is that front, and it is a strong one, a powerful one. It's going to usher in what's going to feel like a change of seasons for us. It's also going to help steer Michael. So Michael expected to make landfall by midday tomorrow along the panhandle of Florida. It's going to bring devastating storm surge with as much as a 12-foot storm surge there along the coast of Florida, peaking during high tide, coupled with over 6 inches of rain. That is going to lead again to life-threatening flooding as well as wind damage. Michael again now expected to make landfall as a Category 4 hurricane. Tomorrow starts with some clouds for us. We'll see sunshine in the afternoon, but then Thursday is our wet day. Showers in the morning, heavier rain and thunderstorms in the afternoon. This is along the front, but then here comes Michael. Michael by this point will likely be a depression or a remnant low, but you can see it is going to bring a healthy slug of rain for especially South Jersey and Delaware. That's midnight, Thursday night into Friday morning, overnight, and then that's out of here by 5 or 6 o'clock Friday morning, and that will usher in a taste of fall finally, but not before bringing some spots, especially across South Jersey and Delaware, upwards of 2 inches of rainfall. And then the dew points drop and it starts to feel very, very comfortable around here starting on Friday as those comfort index indicate there. Thursday feeling oppressive, Friday feeling awesome. So a lot going on. Tomorrow's hot and humid. Thursday, rain and thunderstorms, heavy rain south and east Thursday night as Michael moves through, and then it's much cooler, it's crisp, it's sunny. The weekend, fall has arrived finally weather-wise. We're in the low 60s, morning temperatures in the 40s both days this weekend. We haven't felt the 40s in a very long time. Whoa.